Let's solve the following equation for x. We start by writing this quadratic in standard form, which means we need to get the 2 minus 5x to the other side of the equation. Doing that, by subtracting 2 and adding 5x, we'll get 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 equals 0. Now we use the AC method to factor this, where AC is equal to -6, and we want two numbers that multiply to give us a -6 and add to give us a +5. So we're going to use 6 and -1. This is going to allow us to rewrite our quadratic as 3x squared plus 6x minus 1x minus 2 equals 0. So we want to factor this by grouping, so we'll first make our two groups, and then we'll proceed to factor the GCF from each. So the GCF from our first group is going to be 3x, and we'll be left with x plus 2. And the GCF from our second group is going to be a -1, and we'll also be left with x plus 2 there. So we factor out the common binomial, and we get x plus 2 times 3x minus 1 equals 0. Now the zero product property tells us that because the product of these two factors is equal to 0, one or both of the factors has to equal 0. So we said x plus 2 equal to 0 and 3x minus 1 equal to 0. This is going to give us that x is equal to -2. And then solving on the right side here, we get that 3x equals 1, which implies that x equals a +1/3.